What is it?
The beginning.
The beginning? What are we looking at?
The beginning.
What's it say? Here. What's that?
Bird.
Birds.
What is brown pelican?
Brown pelican. Good. That's the next one.
Great blue heron.
A great blue heron.
Canada goose.
Canada goose.
Wood duck.
A wood duck. Quack, quack.
Mallard.
Mallard. That's another duck.
Bald eagle.
Bald eagle.
Red-tailed hawk.
Good job. Red-tailed hawk.
Ring-necked pheasant.
Very nice. Ring-necked pheasant.
Wild turkey.
Yeah, wild turkey. Gobble, gobble.
Killdeer.
Killdeer, yep.
Killdeer. Spotted sandpiper.
That's very good. Spotted sandpiper.
Ring-billed gull.
That's right. Ring-billed gull.
Rock dove.
Nice work. Rock dove. Oh.
The beginning.
What's this one, AJ?
We did a winner.
Uh-huh. Greater roadrunner.
Golden owl.
Eastern screech owl. Great job.
Great horn owl.
Nice. Great horned owl. Good job, AJ.
What is?
You know that one? That's a ruby-throated hummingbird.
Do me honeybird.
Yeah, say it. Ruby-throated hummingbird.
Do me hummingbird.
Yeah, that's a hard one. Ruby-throated hummingbird.
Do me hummingbird.
Pretty good. Mm-hmm. What's that one?
What's that? Pa.
That's,
Pecky.
that's a downy woodpecker.
Danny woodpecker.
Mm-hmm.
What is?
That's a northern flicker.
No, woodpecker. What is?
That is a great crested flycatcher.
Good. Flycatcher. This.
What's that one say?
Purple mutton.
That's right, purple martin.
Bonflower.
That's right, barn swallow.
Bonflower. Blue jay.
Blue jay.
What is?
That's a black-billed magpie.
Black and vampire.
Mm-hmm, black-billed magpie.
What is?
That's
okay. Crow.
Uh-huh, American crow.
Black chickadee.
Mm-hmm, black crab chickadee. Good.
Tufted tail.
Uh-huh, tufted titmouse.
Good job.
Thank you. You too. Good job to you.
What is?
Red. Uh-huh, you do it.
Not hat.
Called red-breasted nuthatch. Yep.
What is? Not hat.
Nuthatch. What's the next one?
What is?
What's that say? House.
How to green.
House wren. Yep.
That's right. This. What is?
That's an eastern bluebird.
The bluebird. This.
That is an American robin.
Okay, robin. What is?
You know what that says?
Northern
mockingbird.
Mockingbird.
Mm-hmm.
This. You go watch me.
Yeah, cedar waxwing. Good job.
What is?
That is a European starling.
You pay those. What is?
That's a yellow warbler.
Yeah, wobble. Yeah, wobble.
Uh-huh.
What is? Common yellow throat.
That's right, common yellow throat.
What is?
You know the name of that one?
Got to
You got it, scarlet tanager.
Container. Cardinal.
Uh-huh, northern cardinal.
Good job.
Thank you. Good job to you, too.
What is?
Well, you know this one.
Eagle bunting.
That's right, indigo bunting.
Sparrow.
Yep, song sparrow.
Good job.
Thanks. Good job to you. Good job.
I would do it
Oh, well, you missed one. What was it? That's a red-winged blackbird.
with the blackbird. With this.
That's a western meadowlark.
With the midwife.
Mm-hmm.
Coming through. Coming grackle.
You got it. Common grackle.
No.
What's that one? Wait. Black.
No, cardinal.
You done?
No, cardinal.
Northern cardinal. Where are you going?
Fried.
Find the northern cardinal? Well, what happened to the rest of them?
Baby is.
There he is. He's right there. Is that AJ's favorite? I think that's AJ's favorite.
No, cardinal.
That's right. Let's do the rest of them though, okay?
The beginning.
No, that's not at the beginning. Let's just keep on going from here. We have the indigo bunting.
Eagle. No.
No. Then what?
Barrel.
Yep, song sparrow. And then
No. With blackbird.
red-winged blackbird. Uh-huh. What else is there?
With the band rock.
Oh yeah, western meadowlark.
Coming grackle.
Common grackle.
What is?
Brown-headed cowbird.
What heaven cowbird? What is?
That is a Baltimore oriole.
Baltimore oil.
That's a state bird of Maryland.
What is?
That is an American goldfinch.
Make it goldfinch. What is?
Let me see it. I gotta read it. That's an evening grosbeak.
Eagle gosh bee.
And the index. Very good.
And the
The end.
end.